Hello, this is Sidel with SDS Vacation Store, and I thought I'd give you a view of the room that we stayed in at Breathless Riviera Cancun. This is the bathroom. It's an open air bathroom. And then this is your walk-in shower. Spacious, has 2 shower heads. And as you can see, I'll step in here just so you can see how big it is. Really roomy. Then you have your bath products that they supply you with. This shower head is removable, so you can use that, standing. You've got your water functions here. And then when we go out, you have the water closet that's separate, and that's nice. Frosted door, excuse me. And of course when they clean, they forget to put the toilet seat down. Anywho, so that's the bathroom. Over here you have your coffee and bar area. You have your refrigerator and storage here. This is stocked daily, and it's stocked with water, sodas, juices, and also Corona beer. Now, bear in mind, this is a cooler, so it's not as cold as you would think. Then you have your closet area. Typical closet area here, your safe. There's a scale if you want to use your scale. Your closet area with hangers. You have a iron and ironing board. And then in the main bedding area, as you can see, it's really spacious. Great lighting. Your lighting is controlled but on the wall. And then you have some seating over here. You have a ceiling fan. And then this background behind the bed is the backdrop for different coloring. So depending on the mood, you can change it here on the wall. And you can just kind of see right now. Okay, so we see this and then change the mood. Pretty cool. You have your closet over there. Sorry about that. And then you have your drawers. They're just, typical, spacious. It's enough for 2. Also, plenty of USB ports. So you have 2 here. You have 1 here. This is where you control your air conditioning, or you can control it by the iPad, which I'll show you in a minute. And then this is your dimmer. So this area actually can adjust lighting. And then off to the balcony. So that's your chaise lounge. This is the view that we have. This is the party area. We're in the Xcelerate zone, which is a constant party. And I don't know if you can see over here, that's the jacuzzi, which is really nice. And just to kind of show you, you have a pretty spacious balcony. And there's Michael just hanging out. So this is the room at Breathless Riviera Cancun. Let me just show you how you can operate most of the things in the room. This is the iPad. And as you can see, This controls so many things. If you want to control the temperature, you can control it here. If you want to book tours, you can do it here. Make your reservations at the spa. This gives you a menu of what restaurants are open and closed. Additional services, including room service, you can order right through the pad. And then all the benefits at the hotel. If you want to order breakfast, you can do your order. And you can also, follow them on Facebook and Instagram. So, this is all for now. Oh, let me just show you. So your shower's open, and for privacy, you just close the curtain and you're good. So, like I said, this is a great resort. Give me a call if you want to make a vacation out of it. Again, this is Sidel with SCS Vacation Store, living through the experience. Bye.